What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I just came back from Lowe's and Home Depot, and I just want to break this down real quick. I grabbed this um, wrench from Lowe's. It's a Craftsman. I bought this mainly for my wife because in the kitchen sometimes you may get these the pickle jars, and she could use this and open up the pickle jar if it's too tight. So this was $10. Yes, I am upset with Lowe's. Right now, I want to know why this is 10, and all you have to do is go to Home Depot. 2 for $12. Okay? Now, the only difference is this is the one with the groove, like how it's circle cut right there. And this one is a flat. That's the only difference. So, and to be honest, this feels, yes, it's $10, but this feels cheaper. This feels more sturdy. Okay, both comes with a lifetime warranty. This says full lifetime warranty. I'm ready to start getting to Husky because Husky is lifetime warranty. And guess what? With this, I got two. This is a bigger boy. So she has two in her arsenal just in case, they have an even bigger jar. She can use that to open it. All right. So I just want to touch bases with y'all just in case y'all out there shopping. I'm going to let y'all know, do not buy the Craftsman because this is $10 when you could get two for basically $12 to $13. My opinion, this is the better deal. Lowe's, you have to figure this out. I don't know. Home Depot, even today, Home Depot seemed like it had better stuff. It seemed more like a Black Friday. It had more things on there than what they even advertised or what they even have or what they had posted up. As far as Lowe's, I'm gonna be honest, Lowe's really slacking. They had the same exact stuff that was up there a week before Thanksgiving, the same prices, the same products. Home Depot had even more products than what they advertised, cooler products. So that is it with that. I just wanted to touch bases with y'all just in case y'all going to Lowe's. You see, if you want this, if you want this wrench, save the money, go to Home Depot. Don't go to Lowe's, go to Home Depot, get two of them. All right. That's it. Like, comment, and subscribe.